These are the top 10 best camping power station for families. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.
Hello Internet, this is Billy Wong from FosPower. Today we're going to do an FAQ video about this solar radio. The first question we get a lot is about how long does it take to recharge this unit through the solar panel. Now this solar panel is kind of small, so it only takes about 15 milliamp of input to recharge this unit. If using the solar panel, it would take about days to actually recharge the unit. So the actual function of the solar panel is actually to slow down the power dissipation of the unit and not so much to recharge the unit. To recharge the unit properly, the best way I recommend is to use the micro USB port on the back of the unit here. Make sure you have the right cable. This port is not for recharge, but this port is. And then also the hand crank, so like that. All right, move on to question number 2. Why isn't my phone charging even after I plug in the cable? So guys, when you plug in the cable, make sure you choose the right cable, of course, the first thing. And then second thing is make sure it's plugged into the right direction. So this is the port that charges your phone or your devices. And then after that, you need to go to the underside of the unit and make sure that it's switched to the very bottom position, which shows the lightning and the phone symbol. Once you switch that, then you're good to go. All right, let's move on to the third question. what is the SOS switch on the underside of the unit, and how do you turn on the emergency flasher? Does it actually send any SOS signal? So this is the SOS button on the underside of the unit. So when you do that, it sounds the siren and it flashes. It does not actually send any SOS signal to any first responders. All right, let's move on to question number 4. Does the radio alert me when there's an emergency weather broadcast? So yes, you will have to make sure that you switch it to weather band and turn on your volume and tune to your local channel. Then you should be good. Let's move on to question number 5. Is there a way to manually turn on or off the reading light? The answer is actually no. The reading light is right here, actually underneath the solar panel. So to turn it on, you just flip the panel, and then turn it off, you just flip the panel back into its position, then it will be turned off. All right, let's move on to question number 6. How do I know when the radio is fully charged? So a lot of people actually miss this one. I'm going to show you. I'm going to charge the unit through the micro USB port, and as you can see, there is a indicator right here. If it's showing red, that means it's charging the unit. When it's fully charged, it will turn green. And this indicator is not to tell you that you're charging your device, but it's actually recharging this unit here. Question 7, I insert AAA batteries, but the radio still does not have power. Okay, so for this one, actually, there is a switch here that tells you which power source it's using. So right now it's set to lithium ion, and if you want to use the AAA batteries for your power source, make sure you switch it to AAA, and you're good to go. Question number 8. The radio has a lot of static noise. So sometimes people miss this too. There is actually a built-in antenna right here. Just make sure you extend it out, and you can actually adjust it to whatever direction to tune. All right, let's move on to question number 9. The flashlight seems to be widespread and not bright enough. So there's a knob here that we can actually turn to change the focal length of the light, and it will make it a little bit more focused and brighter. Let me demonstrate it for you. So right now, as you can see, it's more widespread. If I turn the knob a little bit, then that's more focused and brighter. Last question, question number 10. Is this unit waterproof? This unit is not waterproof, but it is water resistant, so you can't actually submerge this into water, but rain and spills is fine. So that wraps up our FAQ session. If you have any more additional questions, please remember to ask in the comment down below, and we'll try our best to answer it. Thanks for watching.
The Jackery Explorer 1500. After years of fine-tuning our innovative line of portable power stations, we're now bringing you even more power with this new, large-capacity solar generator. With Panasonic's automotive-powered lithium-ion battery at its core, we're able to provide you with 1,488 watt-hours of safe, clean, and portable power for any type of off-grid activity, workshop, home office, or emergency home backup. Our powerful new 1,800-watt AC inverter allows you to run anything you would from your standard wall outlet, letting you tackle any project, indoors or out. Our new industry-leading inverters can cope with surges generated by power tools, medical equipment, and household appliances, including full-size refrigerators, allowing you to run power-hungry equipment with confidence. Power a wide range of devices thanks to the 7-port options on the device's interface. We've included 3 120-volt AC outlets, 1 PD 60-watt USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports, as well as a stable 12-volt car port. Our brand new intuitive LCD display provides you with input, output, and battery level readings to ensure you're getting the most out of your Explorer 1500. Let's face it, traditional gas generators are a thing of the past. Just like our other solar generators, The Explorer 1500 provides you with silent and fume-free power for any device you might bring along in your RV or van. Use it to power your space heaters, electric blankets, kettle, and refrigerator to bring all the amenities of your home kitchen on the road. And if that road trip lasts more than a day or two, you can use it to power your hair trimmers and curling irons to stay fresh for longer. We all know those disposable fuel canisters are horrible for the environment. So why not make the switch to electric and power your campsite with the sun? You can keep your Explorer 1500 topped off from your standard wall outlet at home, or on the road using your vehicle's carport. But when the adventure takes you off the grid, harness the energy of the sun with an array of our portable solar panels to create a solar generator system. The integrated MPPT charge controller ensures you're getting the highest solar charging efficiency possible. In fact, connecting 4 100-watt panels can get you charged up to 80% in only 4 hours. Life can be unpredictable, so it's better to have a backup plan when the grid goes down. With the Explorer 1500, you can keep everything running from lights and fridges to fans, medical devices, internet modems, and more. If you're looking for a green energy solution for camping, tailgating, or any off-grid events, or maybe you just want to ditch that noisy old gas generator, the Jackery Explorer 1500 will equip you with all the power you need.
What does it mean to live without limits? Introducing the ECOFLOW DELTA Pro, the world's first portable home battery with an expandable ecosystem designed to store energy so you can use it at any time. The Delta Pro ecosystem connects directly to your home with the new EcoFlow Smart Home Panel, which immediately reroutes to Delta Pro to provide uninterrupted power during emergencies. Power outages are no longer a problem, as Delta Pro keeps your entire home fully powered, even high-wattage appliances. And in daily use, the ecosystem reduces your reliance on the grid, saving money on your energy bills. The EcoFlow app gives you full control over your home circuits and lets you manage your power consumption. If you need another way to power high-voltage devices, connect two Delta Pro units together. During emergencies, the new EcoFlow Smart Generator provides cost-effective and efficient power compared to using a traditional gas generator alone. Delta Pro takes innovation even further. Introducing FlowCharge, the world's first charging technology that lets you charge anywhere at any time. The new EcoFlow Solar Tracker automatically follows the position of the sun to improve power generation. At home, plug Delta Pro into any wall outlet to fully charge in 2.5 hours, thanks to Xstream, the world's fastest portable power station charging technology. For the first time ever, you can charge Delta Pro at any leading Level 2 EV charging station. All this and more make Delta Pro the most powerful portable power solution, because Delta Pro isn't just a portable home battery, it's a way to power a new world.
The Yeti 6000X, our highest capacity power station to date. Equipped with 6,000 watt-hours of lithium power, the Yeti 6000X will run power-hungry devices and appliances for days on end. Enjoy a wide range of powering options with 7 versatile ports, including 2 industry-leading 2,000-watt AC ports to run anything you could from a wall outlet. Power RVs, trailers, off-grid events, work sites, essential circuits in your home, and more. With a 6,000-watt lithium-ion battery at its core, the Goal Zero Yeti 6000X power station equips you with reliable portable power for camping, tailgating, off-grid events, workshops, and emergency home backup. The Yeti comes ready to power a wide range of devices with an array of port options, including 2 AC ports with a 2,000-watt AC inverter. Allows you to run large devices and appliances with confidence. Our new inverter size can handle up to 3,500 watt surges from power tools, refrigerators, and air conditioners, making it possible to power anything, anywhere. 2 2.4 amp USB-A ports, a fast-charging 60-watt USB-C power delivery port, an 18-watt USB-C output. 2 6mm 12-volt output ports, which pair well with some of our lighting options. A 12-volt car charging port with up to 13 amps of regulated output. And a 30-amp 12-volt regulated high-power port output that allows you to power large 12-volt systems from a single port. An MPPT charge controller allows for a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels. Check our website for recommended solar panel pairings based on your intended use. To charge the Yeti from the faceplate, there are 2 options: an 8mm charging port that can accept up to 120 watts of input, or a high-power port capable of accepting 600 watts of input. The maximum input a Yeti 6000X can accept is 660 watts. The included 600-watt power supply will recharge the Yeti in 12 hours. Charge times via solar and other power supplies will vary. Our intuitive LCD display allows you to view your input, output, time to empty and full, and current battery level. For more display features, see your Yeti user guide. Under the lid, there are additional input and output options, including a 30-amp 12-volt HPP output and an 8mm 120-watt input port. These options allow for a more seamless cord management experience. There's also a module bay designed for our Yeti Link system, which optimizes your Yeti for home or battery system integration. Easily integrate your Yeti with your home circuits with the Home Integration Kit, or HIK, a simple transfer switch that integrates the Yeti with your home's electrical panel. In addition, we've expanded the capabilities of the latest Yeti app to include charging profile options and more. Easily pair your Yeti by pressing the wireless button and following the in-app instructions. This allows you to check battery level, power in and out, and turn ports on/off, all from the palm of your hand. Within the app, you can select charging profiles based on your use to optimize your battery life. Whether you need it on the job site, on the road, or as a home backup when the grid goes down, you can count on the Yeti 6000X to power your electronics, appliances, home backup, and more. For more information, visit goalzero.com or one of our retailers.